In this episode of I Tried It, I Test this video that claims that we can earn $1 every 30 seconds watching video ads online. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to reveal the process that he claims can help you earn $1 every 30 seconds. I'm going to reveal my results after trying this for 30 minutes to an hour and if there are better opportunities out there. So if you've ever wondered if this method would work, make sure you watch this entire video because I've got some real answers for you. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're going to do today is we are going to take a look at this video that claims that we can earn $1 every 30 seconds simply watching video ads. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. I'm going to show you how much money I actually made for doing this, and we're going to talk about some other opportunities. So what this content creator says we should do, and if we take a look at my phone here, it says that we should go to a app called Paid Work. Now, I guess the good thing is this app is available for both iOS and Android, so that's a good thing. And so what we're simply going to do is we are simply going to open up this app and we are going to watch ads and presumably get paid every 30 seconds. Now, there are a number of red flags with this opportunity. First and foremost, if we take a look, what the original content creator suggests that we do is click on the hamburger menu, which is the three dots, go to earn, and then come down to watch videos, and then you're going to go to Fiverr. Now, my plan initially was to do this method for about an hour to see how much money I could earn. Unfortunately, when I got about 20 minutes into this, I got an error that said there are no more videos to earn points. Now, the problem is very early on in his video, he says that we should do this for about 30 to 45 minutes per day so that we can make a decent amount of money online. That didn't happen for me. As you guys know, I absolutely hate these opportunities where you're supposed to get paid watching ads. They're not worth your time. In general, the time that you waste watching ads, you could be doing something like learning a skill or applying the skills that you already have to something online, which could pay you much more than simply watching these ads. But let's look at how much money I earned. So for doing this for about 30 minutes, as you can see on my screen here, I earned a total of 10 cents. So right off the bat, that should tell you that this is not going to work. This is something that you should not waste your time on. I don't know how these guys can get away with simply creating these titles of saying that you can earn $1 every 30 seconds. It just boggles the mind. I don't know how these guys can sleep at night coming up with these outlandish metrics that can be easily disproven. Now that we know really quickly that this method isn't going to work, and in general, a lot of the stuff that he says isn't going to work, let's talk about things that can work for you. Let's talk about things that will work for you. First and foremost, what you can do is take whatever skills that you have offline and simply apply them online. For example, 4 years ago, I was a software developer, software engineer, so I know how to write code. I could simply take that skill and I could create content, whether it's a YouTube video, it's a TikTok. I can create content and get paid in a variety of ways. One would be with the YouTube Partner Program. Assuming that I would get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube could pay me for the ads that run in the beginning, middle, and end of my videos. There are large content creators on YouTube that are successful simply doing that. They're sharing the latest news and information, talking about programming. They're showing you how to do different things with different programming languages. Before then, I used to work a long time ago. I used to work at White Castle. What you could do is you can talk about a day in your life of your current job. I think that everybody should be learning a skill and simply applying those skills online. There are so many other better opportunities where you're wasting your time trying to make $1 every 30 seconds. It's just not logical. If you feel like you don't have any skills, the best thing that you can do is you can go out and learn the skills. You can learn the skills for free over on YouTube. There's some other websites that you could go to learn skills. You could learn how to blog. You can learn how to create Pinterest pins. You could learn how to create engaging TikToks and then monetize it. And there are probably 10 or 15 different ways to monetize the skills that you have. You can monetize with email marketing. So you collect your target audience's emails, you send them engaging emails, and then they can potentially buy stuff from you. You can monetize with affiliate marketing. You can create and sell digital products. You can create and sell courses or memberships. There are so many other better ways that you can be successful than wasting your time with these videos that claim that you can make money watching ads. So again, people ask me all the time, Alston, why do you make these videos when they don't work? Simply put, this content creator has 18,000 views in 4 days. So 18,000 people think that this is an opportunity for them to make money. And like I say all the time, I was in this position 7, 8 years ago where I was trying to find ways, easy ways, simple ways, stupid easy ways to make money online. And ultimately, none of them were worth it. I ultimately became more tired and frustrated and angry. And it wasn't until I realized that the best way to be successful is to create unique original content online. And you can create content in literally anything. My first blog was in security cameras. My first YouTube channel is in security cameras. My second blog was about microwaves and stand mixers. My third blog was in sound bars. It wasn't until further down the road that I started creating content telling people how to make money online. There are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of niches out there that you can get into. You want to create content about pickleball. You want to create content about basket weaving. All of those are opportunities, and they're going to be much more beneficial to you than you trying to make $1 simply watching ads. There's so many other better opportunities out there. I don't want you to waste your time. Take the time that you are going to waste trying to do this and figure out an area that you want to create content in. Look at things that you've recently purchased. Look at your hobbies. Look at things that you are remotely interested in. Walk down the magazine aisle of your grocery store and you'll find all sorts of things that you are interested in. And that's going to be a much better opportunity than trying to earn $1 every 30 seconds. That's absolutely not worth your time. Find something that you want to create content in. Decide where you're going to create that content. You can create that content on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn. And then once you have a following or you start building a following, you can then monetize it. Now, this isn't going to happen overnight. This is something that takes consistency and persistence, but it's something that anybody can do. I can assure you that I'm nobody special. I'm just this regular guy, but through my consistency and stubborn persistence, I've been able to be relatively successful online, simply creating content and figuring out different ways to monetize that content. And again, this is something that anybody can do. You just have to have the consistency and persistence, and you can be successful. If you're willing to do that over a sustained period of time, the sky's the limit, and you're going to be much more successful than trying to earn $1 every 30 seconds. Now that you know that this method will not work for you, watch this video because this video will actually help you start a successful online business.